Pussy 10 ticks said we split from your disc. But them a roll deep, never roll with a bitch. You roll mean, you know bother blood clean. Cause now if you say a word, you know tick dead quick.
Chip white is Batflick. So pussy Knaxx can't distant it. White out, come on, we empty the pan clip. Die by
Album dropping very soon, so stay tuned.
Can we hear anything else with you and Kartel?
Huh?
Can we?
Alright, so welcome again viewers, morning, evening, night, whenever you see this as usual. Yo, Ellie, yo, the energy god, from him find that one of viewers, I swear. It just make him feel powerful, and the man tell us say him the Jamaican Usher. And the reason why him said that comparing himself to Usher, because you know in recent time when Usher perform, he might put the cherry in the girl them mouth. Yeah man, so Elephant Man, in his performance recently, while he was performing, he called up some ladies, giving them their roses, and also was on the sing pan on the screen. Yeah man, cherry in a mouth and them thing there. So, me nah lie, his performance is as usual. You don't know Elephant Man go to work. Them man they no good on a boring performance. When them man they forward for work, I work him forward for work. So, we are gonna make him take in some more of the performance and see what I want.
Oh no, I mean I say the man can represent for RyanmediaTv. Baddest TV. Yeah that, Ryan Media. Come on, JC on the beat.
We're not gonna lie. You're a queen. I'm treating you. In your mouth. On the beat, I'm Jamaican Usher. Why it's pretty, baby. Now it's pretty, baby. You're secret, baby. Eternal, baby. Whenever you're lonely, when you can phone me, you're secret, baby. I'll be running back to you. We can talk for hours next to the flowers. We still don't come. Bend over, baby. Turn to hours. Slow. Baby, run from my jump on the run.
Pussy 10 ticks said we split from your disc. But them a roll deep, never roll with a bitch. You roll mean, you know bother blood clean. Cause now if you say a word, you know tick dead quick.
chip white is Batflick. So pussy Knaxx can't distant it. White out, come on, we empty the pan clip. Die by
and also in this update viewers, when you supposed to see the season that's among us right now. Yeah man, it look like a war season. It look like Sting can go on this year, you know. Yeah man, it look like Sting can actually keep this year. Cause right now lyrically, shut a fire all bout in a dancehall. Me do a previous vlog yesterday where me I show you say yo, 10 tick, fire can over the Vendetta side. And me even did preview a photo here when Knaxx put it up saying I go fire can half authentic. And me myself telling you say yo, if the clash have to go on, we actually a go get a feature. But here we go on still viewers. Tentic, him never answer the song. Him make one of him shoot at them, go off a Knaxx. So every man a play a dan role or levels card a play to the thing. Cause me said that in my video yesterday, you know, I hope Tentic don't come pull the levels card. Cause Knaxx is a artist where me I go tell you say a good contender. Him will give a run for your money. But when you don't know it go, maybe Tentic no want give Knaxx no hype either. Cause I saw it going at the dancehall. Yeah man. But as me I say, Tentic should bout the youth and name 1TopBalla for fire for Knaxx. And me now go around you, the song bad too.
Big Tyler, I feel me this igual as a headshot, I get quick. And any boy I buy them, a batty boy makes it. Yeah, I mean, I want to move my blood clot, tell me nothing. Anyway, my buck
look beef like you hungry, take your whole pot. You can't war with the data, you know that. Me will left you up on a little stretch and make you roadblock.
Yes, so as I said, viewers, a be a shot of fire all about lyrically. But here we go on. And the little piranha them round the camp and make some mad step. You see me? Yeah, man. The real boss them for the camp them. Nah, really. Fire no real can. Well, maybe some kind of fire, but as them would say, a shades are true. You saw them artists here call name brawling. Yeah, man. I so we want the thing back in a dancehall. We don't want a bag of shades thing. But tell me one thing. When you feel like Knaxx and Tentic could have clashed, when you feel like Tentic should have really answer about Knaxx, or it's rightful him send out one of film piranha them for Knaxx, like how Alkaline maybe send out Knaxx for Tentic, even though we know say yo, Knaxx maybe do this pan him own cause you don't know. Him no need no permission from a this general, a rifle of a rise or a matic of a rise and make a mad step. And we can say the same thing about Tentic artists. So leave on the thought, tell me what you think about this. When you feel like say yo, Tentic and Knaxx could have go at a lyrical clash right now.
Earl and a pongy, we don't see that. Not nice boxing man turning me na either. Dead from 16 and still a look a rematch for your
even
business.
sure if it hit a bag of man your par with a wood them a call fish. This easy spread him out in a crowd. Let you go like them fi promote that. Then nah do no
fit with couple broomstick. The one friend that I can't tag stick like shit. You know see the wall of them a some pick tiling. I feel me this.
Shot them a chat, we search a boy, we circle them. The drive-by car pull up a turn the bend. The clip ram 32 and the 30 them. The place run from the killer turn the yang. The rifle a boop, watch everything a cook. Shake the place with the shop and everything a shook. You violate a me nigga, make a killer look. Search a boy, go feed them. Burdu, boop. Abudu, boop. You violate a you get boop, boop, boop. Hey boy, behave yourself.
Yo, mad. Yo, Rhino. That song ya for Vybz right now. But differently still, we don't know who Rhino attack. Because remember, things are going with Gaza, genocide, and when you don't know, a recent Alkaline like a song named Key man where him like style Vybz Kartel too. So we don't know if I take Rhino and take peace out, but it's rightfully so. And we don't know where it go. Even in the comment section, people ask Rhino if a Masicka him a go for, or if a Alkaline him a go for. Yo, me nah lie, that tune a bad still Rhino. Yeah man, war season as me say viewers and subscribers. And as me a talk about Rhino too, I defend the Gaza. Yo, when see that interview here with Gaza Slim and them ask her about Vybz Kartel. Yo, take in this and prior reaction.
Album dropping very soon, so stay tuned.
Can we hear anything else with you and Kartel?
Huh?
Can we hear anything else with you and Kartel?
Yo, viewers, that's why enough of the artists them not like the interview and them always try to stay away from the media. Because more while certain things always out there with them and them not really want to talk about it. And we already know the situation with Gaza Slim and Vybz Kartel, cause Gaza Slim are one of the only artists them from the Gaza when I link up with Vybz Kartel or even say anything about Vybz Kartel since his release. And when you don't know it go, Gaza Slim are one of the only female too where kinda they up the certain way where out there we really are do it. Me nah say none of them nah do it cause we see Lisa Hyper do our thing, but Gaza Slim dep on a level way. I'm going to say Vanessa Bling cause she change her name. She dep on a more higher level right now. And right now she make it be known so yo, she even want to talk about Vybz Kartel to me. You don't know it go. But leave on the thoughts and tell me what you think about this. But for now, alright, so me I'm gonna leave it till viewers and subscribers. Yeah man. Remember to tune to RyanmediaTV. If you reach as far and haven't liked this video yet, please do so. And remember, if you're new to this channel, stay glued to this channel. Pick up on yourself, stay safe.
One top. In our shells, we are talking. And we are representing for the baddest flagger.